Go, Anne.
Okay, we ready? This is called Shizzle My News Sizzle. And you've got to name the song or the artist. I'm glad I didn't know about this. Okay, you ready for this?
Yes.
I'm ready. This is question 1.
Come on, give it socks.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We're going party like it's your birthday. We're going sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give out.
MK. Oh.
Oh, we got in together.
Okay, go.
No.
Go.
Go on.
Usher.
I beg your pardon. I'm looking for an answer here, not somebody to give me directions.
Is this the song name we've got to give?
Okay, it's 50 Cent, and it's Party. No.
Like we like to party.
No.
Ah, go on.
Yo, yo, yo.
You're just stealing the lines.
Yeah.
50 Cent, like you would put in the call canon.
Yes,
If
of
you were
course.
a witch.
Yeah.
And in
Okay,
America.
and come on, so.
Yeah.
For full marks.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, come on! My kids are shouting at the TV. I'm embarrassing the
Ah,
family.
you're hopeless.
Okay,
Sorry,
give us the
give
next
up.
one.
Sure,
Go.
I knew that one myself.
Okay.
Okay. What was it?
In the club.
In the
club.
Yeah.
Okay, I could get into this.
Okay.
I said hip hop the hippie to the hip hip hop. You don't stop. The rocket to the bang bang boogie. Say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie, the beat. What are you?
MK. It is.
Lucy.
What? No, sorry, it's just... I think I may have wet myself. No, I'll be okay. Continue, please.
It's the Sugarhill Gang's Rapper's Delight.
Alec.
You snuck into her dressing room.
No, I didn't. I
Okay,
didn't. I
I'm
could do
gonna-
the rest of the
In
song.
between chords
I need
in
to
there, my
focus
child. Do you know the answer to anything?
No.
Okay,
Just
oh,
fix your
it's
hat.
Okay, it's
You're
broken.
starting to look
Go on.
really silly.
enough of this stuff. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground where I spent most of my days chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys, they were up to no good, started making trouble in my neighbourhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel-Air."
MK.
Will Smith. Oh, sorry. LK. Will Smith.
Fresh.
Name,
In your face.
name
Fresh-
of what I
Fresh
laughingly call
Prince.
song.
Fresh Prince.
But Bel-Air. Bel-Air.
DJ Jazzy Jeff.
No, he is very, very
He is good. Well, he is. Well, this is
Do
genuine.
you have young children?
I have young children.
That's
I
all
have
right.
the children.
Because if not, I would be seriously worried about you.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know what the first line of this means, and I don't want to know.
Okay.
And I don't want anyone complaining if it means anything that possibly does mean. I'm going to pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is awesome. It's
MK.
expletive, but I don't know what that means.
What?
I'm
What
gonna
was
pop
that?
some tags. Yeah.
What is it?
It's now complete. I had the answer. It's completely gone out of me.
Oh, Macklemore.
Good child.
Oh,
Go to the top of the class.
Thank you.
Name
finally.
of?
Fire.
Name of song. We'll call
sorry.
it song loosely, will we?
It's your answer.
Come to give you
It's
a
your
clue,
answer.
where I always shop.
Okay.
Spar?
No advertising.
Oh, no, I don't know. Little.
It's at the mall.
Clothes shop.
Thrift shop.
Thrift.
I'm a pensioner.
Okay. Of course. Well, you would. Yes, of course. Yes.
Well, that's enough of that, thank God.
Yeah, that went
Does
up.
anybody know who won? No.
You did.
Okay. Thank you, Anne.
And
By
we
a
have-
mile. Well, that
Did
thrift
you
shop,
feel
I
at home
suppose.
there? Did you feel at home? Maybe this could be your new career. Thank
No,
you.
I really don't think so. I think
you,
I could have
boys.
done better than those guys, actually. Did they make loads of money?
These two.
No, these. Oh, the
We don't
question's
even know-
gone.
we don't even know who they
Yeah,
are.
the rappers.
We don't even know who they are.
There's somebody called Will I Am. I heard of him recently.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yes. Well, he is seriously famous.
Now, good man himself.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
I met the manager.
Sure.
And I thought he was going to be the next king of England.
Well, he could be, and probably is. And
Probably will
probably
be.
the two of them could get together and do some kind of royal rap.
Yeah.
This is very unlikely.
I'd buy it.
Yeah.
I'd certainly buy it. Can we take off these hats now, or do we have to wear them until
Well,
the end of the show?
I don't know. I quite fancy myself. And do you miss the telly? Do you miss the buzz?
No, I don't.
Do you not?
You can turn it on any night, for God's sake.
Yeah,
You
but
can
you
even
miss,
turn
like-
it on in the afternoon.
Well,
Yay! Nicely rescued. But do you miss the buzz? Let people say.
I sort of missed out in the B department, and I only mean the buzz. I didn't ever really get this buzz that everybody talks about, but I did enjoy the job.
Yes.
News is a bit different, I think, to a lot of performances.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to keep your head.
Yeah.
Try and keep your marbles, keep your sanity, try and not entirely lose the ability
Plot.
to think.
Yeah.
But I'm not so sure that buzzing would be a great idea in it.